I'm over here at Look at Beardos, helping them dismantle this 1939 Chevy pickup for a paint job. Already got the front fenders off. Got them over here. We're up in his other garage. This is a customer's vehicle. This thing's pretty nice. Got AC, got power steering, rack and pinion, and everything. Just a little update. A little start on this video on this one. Try to post some more videos of taking stuff apart and working on cars, and mechanic wise and body work wise. This pretty clean. The billet pulleys, nice radiator. Not bad. Besides it leaking a little bit of coolant right there.